that's my bike check. And I have a profile totem hub sound check at the end of the video, and so I'll put the time it starts in the description if you came for that. Starting in the front, Fit Mac bars, 8.75 rise with ODI grips, flangeless. Ken Clytus bar ends, Odyssey Springfield lever with a quick slit cable, Odyssey Sexton stem, oil slit color, it looks pretty good. It's limited edition. Odyssey R32 forks in chrome. My frame is a Fit Mac 20.625 trans purple. Sean McIntosh's signature frame. I love it. Sexy, and it rides amazing. Okay. Odyssey Hawk, Chase Hawk sprocket. It's a 27 tooth with Odyssey Twombolt cranks and trail mix pedals sealed. Shadow half-link chain, and that's the quick slick. It's like all one piece hanger. It's easy, and Springfield brake in the back. Going under the seat. It's a market seat, really comfortable, padded very nicely, and an Odyssey convertible post. And my wheel set. In the front, we have profile totems on front and back, but profile totem lays 2 birdcage with silver spokes. Got them laced up by Empire. They did a really good job. Profile totem in the back, laced to a rib cage, supposedly a little stronger. Oh yeah, and I have Chase Hawk tires front and back. 2.4 in the front and 2.25 in the back, I think. They grip okay. And yeah, that's my bike check. Now the hub sound check.